Hi, welcome back to another episode of Coldstream Rod Shop. I'm Derek Fraser. Today we're going to be this week that is, we're going to be working on the 5-window coupe, the New York coupe. We're waiting for the sub rails to come. You want to start that over? We're going to have stuttered and stammered. Hi, Derek Fraser here. Stop it, sorry. So the upper shock mounts are well. Stop that. Okay. Ready? Oh, the upper shock mounts are welded on now. The radio's on. Oh, you gotta turn the radio off. Okay. Turn it off. Hi, I'm Derek Fraser from Coldstream Rod Shop. Check out this week's video. No, sorry. Hi, I'm Derek Fraser from Coldstream Rod Shop. Please check out this week's YouTube video where I make and install the upper deck lid support. Jesus. Hi, I'm Derek Fraser from Coldstream Rod Shop. Please check out Hi, I'm Derek Fraser from Coldstream Rod Shop. Please check out this week's YouTube video where I make and install the upper deck lid rain gutter for the 32 5-window coupes. Hi, I'm Derek Fraser from Coldstream Rod Shop. Check out this week's YouTube video where I make and install the upper deck lid rain gutter and the 2 corner supports. Link is in the bio. Hi, welcome to another episode of... So there's a whole lot of stuff going on here. I just did the smack again, didn't I? Hi, welcome back to another episode of... Hi, welcome back to another episode of Coldstream Rod Shop. I'm Derek Fraser. In this week's video, part 3, we're going to be working on the deck lid. Going to hinge the deck lid, put the... Oh, there's the air pump I've been looking for the past week. Over here on the New York coupe, I've got it almost done to the same point. The inside is all welded, the support is welded. I still have to come up from underneath to weld this back of the floor pan to the back of the rear lid pan, I guess, whatever you want to call this piece here. Sorry, lost for words. Over here, I laid out some of the pieces that we worked on this week. The pieces that we made up, so I've got some extras for a future Roadster project. So the piece I haven't installed is this piece here. So you're gonna have to come join me next week when I put that on. We'll just continue working on the back of the 32 pickups here. Like I said, we'll work on that pan and then potentially some of the supports here, but we're inching our way along on the 32 Roadster interior project. At the moment, what we've got done is we've got started fitting, well, the camera lady, actually not me, started fitting the carpet on the transmission tunnel. She's got a pattern now made on the firewall. The firewall is going to get carpet on there, so the pattern's made for that. I've started making the panels to go on the side here. The plan is basically to put the carpet here, then we're going to make another piece of carpet that fits on top of here, kind of like I don't know, I stalled out, I'm so sorry, I gotta start all over again. Hi, welcome back to another episode of Coldstream Rod Shop. I'm Derek Fraser. We are back in the wood shop for episode number 3, I guess, of the wood for the 32 Ford 5-window. I'll start that all over again. So that's it. Still a little more to go, but as you can see, it's oops. Put my mirror back. I have to adjust that. Hi, welcome back to Coldstream Rod Shop. I'm Derek. Okay.
Go.
Hi.
Just go again.
Hi, I'm Derek Fraser from Coldstream Rod Shop. We're at Radical Speed Sport Atlantic in Moncton, New Brunswick. I'm going to show you a couple of video clips of a few cars here.
just like we did last year. Hopefully you enjoyed them, hopefully your taste, and enjoy.
So that's our video on doing the fender lip panel and the inner fender well on the driver's side of the 32 Ford 5-window coupe. Hope you enjoyed. Please send your comments. Please like, subscribe, share, tag, and I think that's all of them. Everybody have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon.